Good morning, everybody. It is the morning of the 5th of July. I did not put out any type of 4th of July video. No burnouts, no nothing, but...
Get in the back, please.
Boo!
Boo!
Last year's video is pretty good if you want to check it out. It's actually pretty awesome. Big old burnout. We did it over there on the pad. Lots of smoke, lots of fireworks, lots of beer. Fun was had. Oh, you're probably wondering what's up with the sunglasses. Well, yeah, so I went down to Ocean City, Maryland on July 4th and was swimming in the water and body surfing with my glasses on.
Freaking idiot!
And I do that all the time. I'm usually pretty careful with the waves, but I got spun around and didn't get my hand on my face in time to catch them and literally felt them slip out of my fingers and they were gone. We ended up looking around for, shoot, I don't know, about an hour and ended up finding a pair of Ray-Ban sunglasses. So that was cool, but that's not these. These are actually prescription sunglasses. You'll see me in a few more clips possibly with these on. Don't worry about it. Yeah, we're here, guys. What it is at the spot. Got Kenny and all them over there. So just gonna be testing this thing out, checking out the tune. Do a little bit of drifting. That's about it. Yeah. Hi, Kenny. Hi, nice meeting you.
How's it going?
Instagram name is
DSK Racing Element.
Go check him out, guys. He's up in Baltimore doing all kinds of fun drifty fab stuff and other stuff as well. Oh, and burn it out. Do it. He's gonna go to the glow on that. Get it, Frank! Woo! Yeah, so as you just heard, I think my shit's blown the fuck up. I'm not sure what's going on. It's making a whole bunch of noise up top and barely running. So maybe something in the head because I was just in there. Woke up early, heading to the junkyard. Steve and I are going to be pulling another LQ9 out of an Escalade. I have a 20% off coupon and I also have free entry. We should have this thing out in like 2.5 hours. There's Steve. Hi, Steve. Steve's gonna be a big help today. I was fully expecting to do this alone by myself this morning. Thank you for coming. It's awesome. I'll see you guys in the junkyard. I don't think I'm gonna do a whole big thing. You've seen a ton of these already. It's been a rough summer. Well, guys, there it is. Just so that you know that we're not here bullshitting, we actually pulled a second engine too. I'm just in here chilling under the engine. Now, actually, I'm looking for a 15 mil I dropped, which I'm not seeing. It should have been right in here. Check on the ground. There it is. Found it. Yes, tits. Yay, winning.
I win here and I win there. Now what?
So we're here at Burger King. Steve's doing his things. You know, just eating dirty hands. What are you gonna do? The 20% off saved me almost $93 on the discount. So a grand total, including the cores and everything for two engines at $498. So $250 an engine. Would you just look at it?
I mean, just get a look at that.
I'm gonna check out both of these engines and whatever one's better, I'm gonna be using that one in the red car. I'm gonna get these out of here. Tyler's gonna show up and hopefully give me a hand. The LS1's finally getting sold out of my hair. I thought this was pretty creative. I don't wanna get it wet, so they're wrapping it in shrink wrap. There they are, two engines. I got a lot of work ahead of me. Okay, guys. This is the 6.0. We got it flipped upside down, you know, whatever. It doesn't blah, blah, blah. That's the intake manifold off the 5.3. And I heard some metal. This is looking pretty much like chunks of piston to me. Not a whole lot else in the motor that's going to do this big of a chunk of something. But check out this little guy. It has a very particular shape that very much looks like a screwdriver head. And it even has the rounded part right there where it would start to taper. Right there. I'm thinking maybe a fucking screwdriver got sucked into this thing somehow. And yeah, so don't leave screwdrivers in your intake manifolds, guys. Doesn't end well. No, doesn't end well at all.
That's awesome.
That's the current theory. We will have more information tomorrow. So if you weren't sure before, you're definitely sure now. There's a whole lot of stuff down there. Looking like a piston to me. And then you look up here and that windows tray took a hit. Pretty amazing that there's no hole in the side of this thing. Completely destroyed piston up there. Just bouncing around. Kind of big old chunk. This was actually still up in the cylinder. Pretty crazy. The rod and wrist pin are actually still connected up in there. Got the heads off this thing. Cylinder 5 is the one that let go. It looks like some pretty interesting looking marks there. Very straight piece, you know, about the same distance. Got a lot of hits on the same area. Piston in this thing's completely gone. There was a chunk up there. I mean, the rest of these pistons, besides little bits of metal from pulling the heads off, getting on them, look pretty fucking good. I don't see any evidence of valves hitting or anything.
6-0, no talk this video? All show? No? You don't want to tell YouTube what happened? Did you already do that? You do it? I can't tell with the little sunglasses. Maybe.
You think I haven't told them what the fuck happened here, Frank? You're nuts. If you guys don't already know, we're doing the valve springs on this shit. And yeah, this will be the 18th time you've seen it, so we don't need to show a lot of this again. Probably about another 5 hours worth of work, and it will be back together. Untested engine and all. Fingers crossed. Knock on all the things. Knock on the car itself. We need this thing to survive a little while. Gotta make Team Vibes. And also, yeah, check out Jack Motorsports. Boom, right there. Jack Motorsports. Woo! Got the t-shirt. Yeah. Stuart's here. Oh shit. Stuart the Batman. The Batman is here. So we're just gonna get out on track. We're gonna do a couple of passes, like practice tuning type of deal. And then we'll start drifting. We got Preston over there doing dirt bike stuff. All right, guys, we're doing pretty good. Steve showed up. What's up? Steve's here, you know, doing Steve stuff, having a good time. The car is holding up great. The clutch, well, the clutch might be slipping a little bit in like second gear up that bank, but I'm gonna try to adjust my line so that I can stay in third the whole time and just keep it rolling. A little bit of a kind of plasticky burn smell that might be the clutch, maybe, I don't know, we'll see. We're getting there. It hasn't completely blown up yet, so far, so good. Car broke, no big deal though, just a tie rod. I'm already fixing it. Thanks to Skid Labs, those dudes came super prepared. Definitely check them out for sure. Oh yeah, that's why you don't do that. Too much. tire carnage so far. Justin's changing the tires. We're getting there. Chia. Getting it. What it is. What it is. What it is.
Getting it. What it is. What it is. What it is.
Jason, if you're not at TeamVibes, what are you doing?
I ain't fucking with you, that's for sure.
If you ain't at TeamVibes, you're
right
fucking
there,
up.
your swing set up, like you said.
Oh yeah, that tire smoked. It beat it. That corner's a little screwed up. Don't worry about it. A couple zip ties will fix that. You know, I lost my trim piece. What are you gonna do? Bumper shifted a little bit. It's all good. It's all good. The car did wonderful. Yeah. Very awesome event. TeamVibes is the jam. The car did awesome. Thanks everybody for coming. I'll see you on the next one. What the fuck? Oh shit, what the hell?